Welcome to our exploration of natural language processing, or NLP. This is an exciting field of artificial intelligence that focuses on how machines can understand, interpret, and generate human language. Throughout this video series, we'll explore the fundamentals, applications, and future directions of this transformative technology. Natural language processing is a field of artificial intelligence that enables machines to understand, interpret, and generate human language. Think of it as teaching computers to read and understand the way humans communicate. NLP combines computational linguistics, which is the rule-based study of language, with machine learning and deep learning to help computers process both text and speech in meaningful ways. NLP is already part of your daily life. Chatbots handle customer service inquiries on websites. Voice assistants like Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant understand your spoken commands. Translation tools like Google Translate convert text between languages. Sentiment analysis tools understand emotions in text. Grammar checkers help with writing. And search engines use NLP to understand what you're really looking for. These are just some of the many practical applications of NLP technology. Despite its power, NLP faces several important challenges. First, there's ambiguity. Many words have multiple meanings depending on context. For example, the word bat can mean an animal or a sports equipment. Second, obtaining quality training data is difficult and expensive. Third, language is incredibly diverse. Different languages have different rules, and people use slang and dialects that vary by region. Finally, there's the challenge of bias and fairness. If training data contains biases, the NLP model will inherit those biases. The field of NLP is rapidly evolving. Multimodal models are emerging that can process text, images, audio, and code together. Edge AI and on-device NLP allow language processing directly on phones and IoT devices without needing cloud servers. Real-time translation technology is becoming increasingly accurate, and specialized domain models are being developed for specific industries like healthcare, law, and finance, making NLP more powerful for targeted applications. Every NLP system follows a processing pipeline with distinct steps. First, you have the input text, the raw language data. Then comes tokenization, which breaks the text into smaller units like individual words. Next is preprocessing, where we clean and standardize the text. Then analysis happens, where the system extracts meaning and patterns. Finally, the system produces output, whether that's a translation, classification, or response. This pipeline structure helps machines systematically understand language. Let's dive deeper into tokenization, which is the process of breaking text into smaller, meaningful units called tokens. These tokens are usually words or phrases. For example, the sentence "natural language processing is fascinating" would be tokenized into 5 separate tokens: natural, language, processing, is, and fascinating. Tokenization is essential because it converts continuous text into discrete units that machines can analyze and process individually. Text preprocessing involves several techniques to prepare data for analysis. Lowercasing converts all text to lowercase so that hello and hello are treated the same. Removing punctuation strips away special characters and symbols. Stop word removal eliminates common words like the, is, and that don't add significant meaning. Stemming and lemmatization reduce words to their root form. For instance, running becomes run. These techniques clean and standardize text so computers can better understand and analyze it. Once text is preprocessed, NLP applies various analysis techniques. Named entity recognition identifies and classifies important entities like people's names, locations, and organizations. Sentiment analysis determines emotions and opinions in text. Topic modeling discovers abstract themes within documents. Text classification categorizes documents into predefined categories. Summarization creates condensed versions of longer texts. Part-of-speech tagging labels each word with its grammatical role, like noun, verb, or adjective. These techniques extract meaningful information from language. different industries are leveraging NLP in powerful ways. In healthcare, NLP analyzes clinical notes, manages patient records, and supports disease diagnosis. In finance, it detects fraud, assesses risk, and analyzes financial sentiment. The legal sector uses NLP for contract analysis, document review, and compliance monitoring. E-commerce companies use it for product recommendations, analyzing reviews, and customer support. As NLP technology matures, we'll see even more specialized applications across every industry. Let's recap what we've learned. First, NLP is fundamentally transforming how machines understand and interact with human language. Second, every NLP system works through a structured pipeline that breaks complex language tasks into manageable steps. Third, real-world applications of NLP span across healthcare, finance, legal, e-commerce, and many other sectors. And fourth, the future of NLP lies in multimodal AI systems and specialized domain models tailored for specific industries. NLP continues to evolve rapidly, so stay updated with the latest advances in this transformative field.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.